Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Random Collection. Today we have another unboxing video of a product called fast charging cable. So I have ordered the cable from Tuti. It's called fast charging cable, and then you can see the model number is this one, and it's around 2 meters in length. So we're going to unbox this and let's see how it is. For unboxing, we are going to use the scissor. Let's try to open it right from here. Okay, we have the cable in here. This is the cable. Let's understand. Okay, this is the address of the company that they're making and manufacturing it, and yeah, nothing else, only this much. Let's open the package itself. How can we open it now? Okay, from here. So this is the cable itself. 2 meters in length, and it's braided, very much high quality. And then it's also having, I think, the display in here. It says around 100 watt, and the company name is here. So let's see if it is really 100 watt, but I don't have any specific device which I can use to check its if it's really 100 watt or not. So let's try to, for the time being, I have a device, an adapter, 30 watts from the Bellstar. It's also having a display in here, so I'm going to plug it in here, and then let's test out whether it's going to pass 30 watts or not. I'm going to plug these into the socket, and then this side I'm going to plug to the charger or adapter. For the time being, I only have one device, actually my MacBook. This is my MacBook. Let's check whether or not it's capable of delivering the same amount of power or not, 30 watts or what. So I'm plugging in. Sorry, this is from the opposite direction. Okay, in here you can see the PD is enabled, 30 watts, exactly showing the exact same amount of power which is being delivered by the adapter. So we can see it's saying PD 30 watts. If I unplug this one and then use the other USB port, you can see in here it's going up to 30 watts. Yep, it's working. I will be also checking this product. I will be reviewing this cable with a better charger that I have at home. So let's see how it goes, whether it's really. But by the way, I have bought it only for around maybe 30,000 or 35,000, something similar. So 2 meters in length, and it's braided, and it's also having the display in here to show the power outage. I don't think so it's a very expensive product, but it's a very high quality in terms of let's say the product itself and the let's say the power itself that is delivering is much better. I've previously also used this cable before, and then this is my second time ordering this cable because it was on promo, so I got it around 35 something. Anyways, thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.